शुरू करें।
Don't we want to step away from those who are sensitive to jokes or get annoyed easily because we said something? I mean, कोई छोटा सा मजाक आखिर कोई क्यों नहीं ले पाता है? Now that we know कि कुछ लोगों को कभी भी बुरा लग सकता है, we try and maintain our distances from them because we don't know कि कब इनको बुरा लग जाए. ये होना काफी नॉर्मल है. The thing is, the people who we distance ourselves from don't even know if we mean something or not. Think about those people जो शायद आपके best friends हुआ करते थे and they are not anymore and you don't even know why. For most part, none of you will deny that you dislike each other, but you are not in touch with each other as much as before. And that's not a bad thing. Of all the things you could do to make someone feel bad, sometimes it is the words that we use. Yeah, you're such a nerd. Oh, he can eat 5 whole burgers. Look at him. मेरा बच्चा पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा तो या तो कूली बनेगा या फिर काम वाली बाई. Now when you go and ask these people, of course they'll come and tell you that they mean well, but often these words are not received well. Using the words, communication pattern and language often goes very deep into the skin.
Dropping ज्ञान.
It is because with time हम words भूल जाते हैं and all we remember is how one person made us feel. नर्ड बुलाए जाने से हो सकता है एक अच्छा बच्चा पढ़ाई से दूर हटने लगेगा. Somebody who loves burgers may start to think that it is not okay to eat that amount. Kids would rather become rebellious and proud coolies rather than study. And ऐसा नहीं है कि कूली होना, फूडी होना या नर्ड होना कोई बुरी बात है. It's the way we choose our words is what makes a difference. हो सकता है you mean well, but सामने वाले को hurt हो जाए. We speak about empathizing, being inclusive, being compassionate, but how do we translate it? One of the ways is by the choice of words that we use. Like for example, in place of calling someone mad, you can say that they are undergoing stress. In place of saying that it is driving me crazy, say that the situation is annoying or troubling me. When you get a cut, people don't come to you and say that, oh look what a bleeding messy human making everything dirty around you. No. They know that the wound needs tending and that it is not a fault of your own. It is this behavior that makes a difference. So when do we laugh about things? You don't have to mock a serious topic. Like for example, let's say you have a fractured hand. People won't come and pat you on your arm or hit you when you have the cast on, right? If they do, you'll probably not like them. But once the plaster is off, now you can go and high-five people because you know it doesn't hurt anymore. It is the same with mental trauma as well, but you don't see it, right? So you ask politely. Choosing the right words when we talk to someone is that impacting. Yes, we don't know कि सामने वाले को कब hurt हो जाए, but the least we can do is to correct the behavior and the way we function. तो इस एपिसोड में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा 3 ऐसे key pointers that you can use in these situations to know the right approach. Let's begin. Step 1. Identification. You got to know when you're crossing the line, but आप अंतर्यामी नहीं है. You may not know everything, so the best thing that you can do is ask if the other person is okay to talk about things. At least with the people you care for, and for the rest of them, give it time. आपके इतना पूछने से you make the other person feel inclusive. Step 2. Apologize and unrepeat. When you have found out that something has hurt someone, be okay to apologize. It is fine to say sorry. It just means that you are acknowledging the gap and take responsibility and are not to be blamed for things that you just did. Now, how do we mean our apologies? One of the ways is to not repeat things that we just did consciously and with effort. Step 3. Direction. Correction in your behavior is now really important. क्या नहीं करना है? We know. क्या करना है is where we want to go. Words and sentences is the entire focus of this episode. Words that are said well and mean well. There is a link in the description जहाँ पे आप alternate word choices की एक list check out कर सकते हैं. Maybe it will help you. Knowing all this is one thing, but remembering is difficult. If you wish to, you can remember these entire pointers as AUDI, like a technique that you can practice or you can share with your friends. I hope आपको आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. If you want to stay updated regarding mental health news or you want to reach out to someone, check out the दरवाजा खोलो वेबसाइट जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. Share this video with your friends because you don't know, शायद उनको इसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए. मेरा नाम है प्रथमेश. Signing off. खुश रहो, keep smiling और सुनो दरवाजा खोलो.
Please be kind to the person next to you. Thank you.